This podcast was made with an AI voice generator. Today, I'm taking you aboard my imaginary boat, destination, the oldest inn in France. Located on the old market square where Joan of Arc was burned at the stake, the Crown, La Couronne in French, prides itself on being the oldest inn in France. It all started in 1345 when we find mentioned on a parchment the trace of the rents paid by Raoul Le Prévôt, the owner at that time of the Crown. Today, the Crown can congratulate itself on having welcomed many celebrities, including the lawyer Touret, the man who was to invent the French departments. René Coty, President of the French Republic from 1954 to 1959. Salvador Dali, famous Spanish painter, or even David Douillet, famous French judoka born in Rouen. So if you like celebrities, I invite you, not at the restaurant, but to observe the photos hanging at the entrance of this restaurant to find out which French and international personalities have already come to have a lunch or a dinner at this restaurant.